welcome once again. This is Ritu Chavda, works with Data Folks as a placement head. Guys, today in this video we are going to discuss about a very sensitive topic, which is about the accident, and I am going to showcase a driver drowsiness alert systems. Every year the accidents and the deaths has been increasing due to the driver's drowsiness. Several deadly accidents can be prevented if the driver is alerted on time about the drowsiness. People are very worried about the drinking and drive, but they are very conscious about it, but they are not able to understand the seriousness of drowsiness. Why? Because there is no proper instrument to measure this drowsiness. But imagine if we have some system wherein we can highlight, we can warn the driver so that we can prevent many accidents and driver can be alerted on time whenever he is feeling drowsy. So guys, I am very proud to share the drowsiness detection model which is created by our research team, which will warn the driver's drowsiness and the risk of a micro sleep. So let's watch together the objective, technology use, idea and the practical execution of this model.
The objective for today's session is using some sort of technology. We have to identify whether a driver is feeling drowsy or not. Accordingly, we have to come up with a solution for that. So the main technologies that have been used in this case study are, as somebody was asking Sanjay, computer vision is something, and also the deep learning has been used as the major frameworks or the technology whatever used. Guys, are you understanding? We are just making it possible with the help of computer vision and deep learning, and somewhere in today's session we are also going to use Python as the basic programming language. In Python we are going to learn write our code and all. First thing that we need to implement is take image as input from a camera. Is this part understood, guys? There is a camera fixed, and first of all it needs to take the image as the input. What is the next step? Detect the face in the image. I mean to say, from the image whatever it has captured, first of all narrow down that to the face kind of thing. I mean to say, from the whole image just narrow down your focus to something called as face. Create a region of interest. Region of interest in the sense, for example, do I have to look at my nose, mouth or ears? Definitely that's not required in this case, right? We have to only focus on the eyes. So in this case, it has to create some region of interest. When I'm showing you the practicals, I'll talk about all these things, guys. First of all, for example, if Niharika is showing the practicals today, if she is there as the model in that case, first of all, it captures an image from Niharika's camera. Then it identifies the face of Niharika. Then it will create some region of interest. I mean to say the eyes. Then after that, it will look at the movement of eyes, detect the eyes from the ROI, region of interest. Classifier will categorize whether eyes are open or closed. Are you guys getting it? Then finally check whether the person is drowsy or not. Finally you will get an alarm kind of thing.
Yeah, so this is the region of interest, and that is why. Now you can hear the voice, right? Because I am drowsy. My eyes are closed and the alarm is beeping. So if the person is drowsy, the alarm will start beeping and it will notify the driver that you need to wake up and concentrate on driving. Because the person is sleepy, and that is why it was beeping. Like again, I'll show you. So these are my eyes, and I'll close my eyes now. Alright, so this is the execution of the code.
So how was it, guys? Hope you liked the model and have seen the practical execution of it. So basically the advantage of this model is that we can prevent the accidents caused by the driver getting drowsy. Thank you so much for watching.